We are all set for the Trader Rundown with Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives. And Tim, a lot of commentary coming from Fed Chair Powell, who is testifying to lawmakers in a semi-annual event. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think certainly what between the Fed has done and now coming out of Washington with, rumors of $1 trillion plus infrastructure package, I think certainly the Fed chairman will kind of keep status quo here. I think interest rates will remain virtually unchanged for the foreseeable future, for certainly the next several quarters. So I don't think a lot to be coming out of the Fed. They did drop the bombshell about buying corporate bonds, which rallied the market yesterday. We're seeing that rally continue. So valuations stretch, but the uber cheap money winning out for the time being in the market.
Tim, what's your trade of the day?
Yeah, it's really insane. Some big-time volume in Juniper, one of the chip stocks, saw over 10,000 of the July out-of-the-money 25.5 calls trading. More importantly, that implied volatility, a different way to look at the price of the option, went from 35 to over 50. The stock was up about 40 cents. These calls, which are out of the money, up actually more than the stock. So I'm jumping in, buying the shares, selling these comparatively expensive calls, leaning bullishly with that call buyer out there, and at the same time capturing the fact that they had to overpay kind of to get into this position. So I think this market will continue to rally here. There's really nothing to stand in the way, even though valuations are stretched with money as cheap as it is. Valuations, I think, will be kind of put to the wayside, at least for the time being.
Always a pleasure, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, Ange.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.